Welcome aboard Let's Go. Let's Go is a 42-foot Jefferson. She was built in 1992. She has a double cabin configuration with a large aft deck. Great side decks, make it easy to walk around, handling lines. Bow pulpit, she has a new anchor and a windlass. There's also a spare anchor on board. She just completed the Great Loop. Great boat for the loop. Also would make a great liveaboard or cruiser. Has a new Avon tender with a 4-stroke outboard. A new autopilot was installed last year. She has good electronics. Fully rigged out for cruising, ready to go. Large salon, comfortable layout. Does have a lower helm. Lots of spare parts. New stripless shaft logs were installed. The new refrigerator was just installed. She has reverse cycle heating and air conditioning throughout the boat. Master cabin has lots of storage. An in-suite head with tub and shower. Centerline walk-around queen berth. This will make an excellent cruising boat. Decided something you'd like to look at, give us a call at Berry-Boger Yacht Sales and we'll be glad to get you aboard.